Panganiban, number 19. Number 32, Pascual. Number 77, number 10, Anibo. Number 14, Fernandez. And number 2, Bicol. On the black team, number 45, Bisande. Number 0, Marquez. Number 47, Navarra. Number 12, Rimorosa. And Irosa, number 15.
Ayan, labis ka.
Okay. Sige, tayo. Nakatingin. Ready? Jumble. Okay. Nakuha ng black. Number 12, 3 points. What a shot by number 12. 3 points, number 12. Bicol. Number 2. And pass to Pascual, number 2. Try to 3 points. Also, what? Short. Rebound by number 12. Number 12 of black. Dribbling, looking to the receiver. Pass to number 45, Bisande. Power rep. There's a whistle. 14. Okay, foul. Number 14 of red. Imaw by number 2. Bicol. Binasan. Still by number 12. Number 12 of black. Back to number 0. Pass to number 0. Diretso. Eps. No good. Nawala ang bola. Kinuha number 10. Anibo. Pass to number 2. Lace up. No good. Rebound by number 2. Pascual. There's a whistle. Number 12 of black foul. Number 2 and the pit row line. First try, shoot by number 32. Second try, no good. Rebound by Marquez, number 6. Pass to number 12. Oh, nakuha ni number 15, lays up. Good. Shot by number 15. Number 15. 2 points. Pascual, number 12. Number 32. Pass to number 2. Bicol try to 3 points. Wala. Nakuha ni Fernandez. Raise up. Ganda naman nun. Number 14 of red. Shoot. Number 2. Navarra, number 47 of black. Dribbling. Pass to Bisande.
Traveling.
Traveling. Tumakbo na walang dalang bola. Number 32 inbound the ball. Pass to number 2, Mr. Vigo. Looking to the receiver. Pass to number 14, Fernandez. Pass to number 12, Raise up. Good. Ano? Pala yun. Sorry. Number 0, black. Pass to Bisante. What? Rebound sa Maritime. Nice rebound by number 10, Anibo. Diretso. Raise up. Wala. Rebound by number 0. Number 0, exhibition dribbling. Yaras by number 2, pass to number 47. Diba?
Traveling.
There's the whistle. Our traveling
Masyado makapit ang sapatos mo ah, Noy. Masyado makapit.
Biko. Pass to number 2. Harassed by number 15. Number 19. Pass to number 10. Animo. Shoot by number 10. Easy layup by number 10. Nice assist by number 19. 45. Inbound the ball. Pass to number 15. And 15 harassed by number 2. Bigol. Diretso. No good. Rebound by number 32. Pass play to by number 2. But steal by number 15. Mr. Kisande. Mr. Kisande. Pass to number 45. 45. Lays up Kisande. Shoot by Mr. Kisande. Of red. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14, Fernandez. So, there's a whistle. Post foul rep. Number 15 of black foul. Number 14 inbound the ball. Pass to number 19. 19 harassed by Kisande. Number 1 by Bampin. Shot by number 55. Santi Alabao. 15 to 45. Kisande driving. There's a whistle. Okay. Blocking foul by number 14 of red. Side on throw in by number 12. Second personal by number 14 of red. Number 15 of black tries to no. Number 0. Number 32, pass break to Mr. Pico. Number 2, Shadow sumobra. Balik ang bola sa black. Sinaya na sa foul. 47 of black. Pass to number 12. And number 12 dribbling in the middle. Pass to anybody. Number 15 got the ball. Trying to shoot. No good. Rebound by yourself, but no good again. Still by number 19. Number 19, dire-diretso. Kinalabaw na. Yun, lays up by number 19.
Huli.
Oh, huli. Tama ni Pascual. Oh, nahuli. Still by number 12. Pass break all. Pass to number 15. Gira. Wow naman. Under the goal. Number 15 shoot. 3 falls, Pascual. No good. Rebound by Anibo. Shoot. Number 10, Anibo. Number 15. Number 12. Number 12. Dribbling. Pinasa ka number 0. Dire-diretso. Power up.
Counted.
Scouted. Number 32 of red. Foul. Substitution red. Up. Race shot. A bonus shot by number 0 of black. No good. Oop. Violation. Number 32 inbound. The ball pass to number 2. And big goal. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Dribbling. Harassed by number 47. Oy, diba? Dire-diretso. Pinalabaw na. Wala. Oy. Ni-rebound. Wala. Oops. Who's foul rep? 0. 0 of black. Team foul of black. Number 0, first personal foul. Number 10 of red, tries screen. No good. Rebound by number 45. Haras by number 2. Wala na kasahan. Pinasa number 0. Pass break to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 12. Back to number 0. Number 0 tries to 3 points. No good. Oh, 47. Easy shot by Mr. Navarra. Lumiligod pa sa bench. Wala na. Hinaras na. Number 12. A black. Okay. Number 0, 3 ball. Haras by number 19. Who's foul rep? Number 19, black and foul by number 0, red. Time out! Ready! Inbound. Okay. Ready? Inbound by number 7. Pass to number 45. Harassed by. No good. Tries. No good. Rebound by himself. Tries again. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 32. Of Rat. Pascual in the 3-point line. Wow, what a shot. 3-point play by Mr. Pascual.
Ang taas.
Oh, this ball. Number Mataro, number 82. Inbound na ball. Pass to number 32. Got a ball. And Alpisca, number 77. Wow. Referee. A traveling by referee Ryan Lavis. Number 0. Black. Pass! Oh! Ang taas! A high pass by... Okay. Number 82, Mataro. Pass to number 0. Harass by number 47. Number 0 drives in. Number 45. Pass break to number 12, Black. Heribosa. Pass to number 45. Gisande try to shoot. No. 47 of the Barak got the ball. And number 28 tries to 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by number 0, Black. Pass break. Still by number 28. Number 28. Pass to Gisande. Shot. Wow. Black. But foul by number 10. A penalty of Brad. Sa tira lang muna. Pagkatira, tsaka papalit, sir. Number 89 in a free shot by number 100, no good. Number 89 in out number 32. Gisande of Black. Gisande, second try. No good. Short. Sa Black daw, sabi nung red. Kasuga, number 89. Pass to Alpisca. Harass by number 12.
Oh.
Pass number 89. Pass. Lando. Navarra. Pass to number 0. Right to steal by number 0. Back. 3 points by number 0. Black. No. Rebound by number 8. Follow-up shot. One shot by number 28 of Black. Inbound by the ball. Oh,
Oy.
77. 15 of Red. Pass to number 0. Pass by number 0. Black. Pass to number 7. 77 of Red. Pass by number 12. 77. Pass to number 82. Mataro. Shot. Tossing foul. Who's foul rep? 0 Black. Warning for penalty of Black. Dalawa? Okay. According to referee Ryan, it's free throw. Act of shooting. Mataro. Free throw line. No good. Is Mataro second try. What a shot by Mr. Mataro. Number napakataas sa numero 82. Pass break of Black. Oh, pinato. Last touch by Red. Inbound by number 47, Navarro. Pass to number 2. Back to number 47, trying to 3 points, sure. And rebound by Mr. Gisande. Tira, wala. Foul, referee by Ryan, number 80. A free throw line by number 45 is a penalty. First try, is one shot by number 45, Mr. Gisande. A minute and 15 seconds, the first quarter. Score 16 by 14, a favor of Black. One shot, 2 points by Mr. Gisande. A perfect free throw line. Alvisar, pass to number 10, Mataro shot, no good. Rebound by
Same ball.
referee. Ano sir? Ano referee call? Referee. Decision of referee. Ano? Same ball. Alam mo jump ball. Number 15. Inbound the ball. Pass to 77. Pass by number 47. Number 77. Pass to nobody. And get by number 0. Number 0 try to 3 points. No shot. Oh. Bitanes. Damutin ba yan? Number 38, harus by number 77, pass to number 0. And number 0, harus by number 15, pumping, what a shot, 2 points by number 2 of, number 0 of Black. $28 seconds and remaining the first quarter. Nawala ang bola. Pinasar sa walang. O timeout! O timeout! A Black team! 47, Navarro. Walang palitan niya. Bula daw, bula. Number 47, pass to number 0. Pass to number 28. Back to number 47, dribbling. Looking to the receiver, pass to number 28. Aras by number 0, Bitanes. Number 0, Black drives in. No, nawala ang bola. Laban na 5 seconds to shoot. No, a rebound by number 3. No time. Aru. Ekasuka. 89. Hindi pa ginawa 89, pass to number 0, Mr. Bitanes. Brooklyn, pass to number 32. Number 32, 3 points, Jordan. Rebound by number 89, Kasuga, pumping. Foul by number 8, the Black. Up. Lack of shooting. According to referee Ryan, the first throw by Mr. Kasuga. Easy shot by number 89 Kasuga. And the first free throw. And the second throw. No good. A rebound by number 50 Black. Try to steal by number 89. And number 45 get the ball. Pass by number 10. Pass to number 15. Nasa kay 28 na wala ang bola. Balik sa red. Number 0, Mr. Villares. Inbound the ball, pass to number 89. And number 0, dribbling, harassed by number 28. Pass to number 32. Pass to number 0, pumping. No. Pass to number, still by number 2. Still also by red. And still by number 45. 45 Black. Pass to number 28. Easy shot by number 28. A pass break. Shot by number 28. Number 32, dribbling, Hinaras. Tinira, number 10, wala. Rebound by number 45. 45, referee, blocking foul of number 19 of red. Second personal, and number 28 on the ball. Pass to 45, Gisande, tries to.
Traveling.
Ryan calling with traveling. 32 inbound, inbound to number 8, pass to number 89, 89, dribbling. And number 89, pass to Mr. Pringle, number 98. And number 19, dribbling. Back to number 32. 32, 3 points! Ang layo! Wala! Rebound by number 2. Pass break to number 28. Shot! No good! Rebound by himself. Pass last touch by Red. Same ball of Black. Pass to number 15. And number 15. Haras by number 89. Pass to number 28. Number 28. 3 points! One shot! 3 points! Kundun! Number 28 of Black. Number 10. Exhibition dribbling. Haras by number 28. Perfect, no? Still by number 7. Number 20 pass to number 20.
Huli.
A block by number 32. A nice block by number 32 to 45 a block. What a shot by number 89. Lays up. Number 89. A dribbling. Oh, nice steal number 32. Time out! Black team! Okay, inbound by number 8, Arellano. And Arellano, pass to number 45, Sunday. Aras pa number 19. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 89, pass break to Mr. Britannia, 0. Back to number 89. Black. Black ball. Last touch by Red. Black ball. Number 3. Pass to number 20. Haras by number 22. Still. Pass number 2. Number 90 steal the ball. Number 0 tries to shoot. Wow. Shoot by number 0. Number 32, steal. Number 89. Rebound by number 15. Oh, steal by number 0. Pass to, nakuha na number 2. Referee. No foul, same ball. Substitution rep. Number 8 out. Okay, Red Black. Underguard. Pass to number 19. Number 19, Pampix! No! Number 0. Wala. Hindi tumama sa rin. Okay, still by number 32. Last touch by number 2. Substitution, rep. Sir, klaro lang. Tataas ang kamay pag nabaw.
Uy.
Traveling, number 10, Red. Number 0, Black. Inbound, pass to number 15, Rosa. Pass break, no, he's still by number 10, Anibo. Anibo, under dribbling. Haras by number 20, pass to number 32. Try, shoot, no, rebound by himself. Mr. Kasuga on the 3-point line, short. Number 32, rebound, Pascual, pass to number Anibo. No good also. Number 0, Black. Still also by the back. Pinasa kay Visantes, lays up, no! Rebound by Rosa, shot! There's a foul by number 19. Substitution rep. Hindi ba? Bob. Ano ba ang tawag na rep? Wala ba tayong penalty? Wala ba tayong penalty, sir? So, no count yun. Simple rep. Last touch by number 82. Marquez. Black. Pass to Ross. Oh, number 12. Last touch by number 12. Score 24 Black and 22 Red. Number 14 in on the ball. And then pass to number 32 of Blas Pascual. Pascual hands by number 20. Guarding by number 22. Drives in by number 22. Pass to number 89. Shot no good. Rebound by Pascual, pass to number 2, but still by number 12. Good. Number 12 of Black. Foul by Mr. Mataro, 82. Sinasadyang, hindi na. Ilang foul ka? 13 foul of Rad in the second quarter. 15. Irosa tries to 3-point. Wala, short! Tumama, hindi tumama. Pascual, inbound the ball. And big hole. And the middle, dribbling. Looking to the receiver. Pass to number 10, Anibo. Dribbling. Pass by number 15. Anibo, number 2.
Yo.
3 points. No! 3 points. Biko. A 3-point brought to you by Birlao, Mr. Campang, Kapin. And number 0, Black, harassed by 2 guy. A Brad, still by Pascual. Pass to Biko. Number 14, got the ball. Harassed by number 12. A Black, pass to Biko. 3 points also again. No, short. Number 45, isang rebound. Try to steal by Mr. Anibo. Balastak by Mr. Anibo. Number 15 of Black, inbound the ball. Pass to number 28. 3 points by number 28. No. Rebound by number 82, but 13. 13 team foul of Black on the second quarter. A minute, 4 minutes and 47 seconds in the second quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 32, harassed by number 15. Pump it and shoot. No. Oh, charging. Foul.
Sipe, number 10.
Number 10. Oh. Illegal pick. Number 0, harassed by number 32. Oh, still by number 32.
Oy.
Pass number 14.
Traveling.
Oh, I think traveling. Nice referee. Up, up. Red 25 and Black 24. Number 20, get the ball. Lubas na ang bola. Pascual. Pass to number 82, 3 points. No. Rebound by number 0, Black.
Hindi ako tingin.
Pass break back still by number 2 of Red. Big goal. Pass to number 10. Shoot by number 10. No good. Rebound by himself, Alibo. And Pampix. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Rebound. Pass to number 15. Still by number 32. Bigol lays up a shoot by timeout. Black team. Pasok na, papasok. Okay, I'm on the wall. Number 47. Pass to number 12. Still, lumang court. Man-to-man by number 32. Harass by number 32 and number 77. Foul by number 77. Upright. Rosa, number 12, Dr. Blackie. First row. Shoot by number 12, Rosa. And the second try for the free throw line, Mr. Rosa. Shoot again! Shoot, tumama sa net. Number 77, Albiscar, pass to number 15, tries to 3 points, no good. Rebound by number 89. Last touch, jump ball. Okay, Black team. Ini. Black still by number 15, Guerrero lays up. Wow, what a shot by number 15 and Berna steal. Tata-timeout lang sir, wala na kayo timeout. Asap, dito kayo sir magsasap. Lapit kayo dito sa committee. Oh, wala na bola. Substitution rep. Number 1. Pass to number 47 of Black. Pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 0. Marquez. Pablo. Pass to Gisante. Lays up. Number 45. Gisante. Nice layouts. Easy. Number 15 of Red. Guerrero. Pass to number 89. 3 points. Sumo Red. Rebound by number 2 of Black. Harass by number 77. Pass to number 12. Man-to-man by Red team. Steal by number 15. Last pass by number 15 of Red. Number 12 of Black. Rebound the ball. Pass to number 0. Number 0, 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 32. Nice rebound by number 32. Pass to number 15 of Guerrero. Number 77 tries to 3 points. No. From 3 points. No. Number 7 tries also to 2 points. No. Rebound by number 89. Hinira na last touch. Same ball. Last touch by Black. According to Referee Ryan. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Oh, referee. Okay, referee decision tayo. Okay na, referee decision tayo, sir. 47, harass by number 32. Pass number 0. Number 0, pass number Crisante, number 45, 2 points by Mr. Crisante under the goal. Guerrero, pass number 89, try to steal by number 47. And pass to number 32, 3 points, shoot! Number 32, get by number 32, pass break, but still by 45 getting the ball, Black. Pass to number 0. Number 0, Black, try to by 89. Pass to number 10 seconds to shoot. Number 32, pass to number 45, 2 points by number 45, no good. Shot by number 27, 2 points by number 45. Go, Fred! Inbound the ball. $58 on the second quarter. No, under by number 89. Nice assist by number 10 to number 89. 46 seconds in the remaining second quarter. Number 12, Black. Try to steal by number 30. Steal by number 32. Pass break to number 7. Have alone the release. Oh, stop by number 7. Try the second try. And number 7 the third time. Oh, at the third time. 7 shoot. Number 12 in the middle. Try to harass by number 32. Oh, tatay mo pa kayo. Tatay mo pa kayo. Ayaw na. Remaining time. 20 seconds. Number 77, Alvis Cars plays up. One shot by number 77. Back to back. Score by number 77 of Red. Pass break. Steal by number 32. 7 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 10. One break by number 10. Wow. Oh. Meron pa. Balik ko. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Penalty ba? Wala. Penalty ba? Wala ba? Shooting. Referee, what's called? Referee. Traveling. Traveling. No foul.
Black sa black.
Wala. 2 seconds in the remaining. Wala na yan. Ito na tayo. Okay, traveling daw, sabi ni referee. Binaligtad na ni Mr. Jacob. Mataro, inbound the ball, number 82. Pass number 0. Vidanes. Back to number 82. Master Mataro, 3 points, shoot! Black ball. And number 20 on the ball. Pass to number 47 of Black. A dribbling and looking to the receiver. Pass to number 0. 3 ball. Mr. Marquez. No. Rebound by number 19. Panganiban. MSD Panganiban. Dribbling. And the middle of the court. Harass by number 47. Diretso. Wala. Rebound by himself. Pass number 32. 3 points no. Ano? Guard. Number 20. Dalawa lang? Okay, dalawa daw. First try. Sure.
Daming bawas yun eh.
And the second try. Short also. Rebound by number 45. Isande pass number 28. Shot by number 28. No. A rebound by number 82. Mr. Mataro by steal by number Isande. Isande. No. Rebound by Mr. Navarro. No good also. Rebound by number 89. Referee. There is a whistle. A foul. Vidanes. Inbound the ball. And pass to number 19. Number 19, dribbling, no, pass to number 82, still by number 47. And number 47, pass to number Gisande, 45, lays up, no, him rebound by himself, a follow-up shot by number Gisande. 32, Bire derecho, oh! A blocking foul by number 45, Mr. Gisande.
Apat ka na.
13 team foul, second personal foul by Mr. Kisande. Second personal by Mr. Kisande. And number 2, first try, for free to line, is good. Number 32, Mr. Pascual. Second try. Shot by number 32 by Mr. Pascual. Back-to-back points by Mr. Pascual on the free throw line. Steal by Mr. Vidanes, number 0. Aras by number 47 of Black. Pass number 15, Guerrero. Tira. Wala. Rebound by number 2 of Black. Aras by number 82. At the backer. Number 32. Aras also by 2 man of number 2. Referee.
8 seconds na, 8 seconds.
Referee tayo. Ano siya? 8 seconds violation.
Red ball, red.
Referee call. Wala kasi. Hindi. Decision tayo. Hop. Okay. A black ball. A referee decision tayo, sir. Number 2, Tagigag. Inbound the ball. Pass number 45.
Uy.
Steal by.
Binawi na.
By Mr. Kisande. Guerrero, inbound the ball, red. Tiktikan ang laban. Talas ang mata. Mr. Guerrero, inbound the ball, number 0. Haras by number 47, number 0. Dire-diretso, inasa number steal by. Number 28.
Save ball.
Number 82 on the ball. Number 15, Guerrero. Number 52 of red, 33 points. Wow, shot by number 32. Pascual on the 3-point shot. Number 28, pass break. 45, shot. Wow, a pass break shot by Black team. Fifteen of red. Pass to number 19, Panganiban. Aras by number 47. Number 19, Diretso! Rebound by number 2, Black. Haras by number 15. 28, get the ball. Pass back to number 47. Pass to Bisante, 45, shot! No! Rebound by number 0, Tira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Panganiban of red. Haras by number 47. Mataro, get the ball. Pass break to number 0, Vidanes. Diretso! Wala pa rin. Rebound by
Ball.
number 32. And there's a whistle. foul. Number 2 of black. Decision rep. Guerrero out in Bicol. Number 32 of red, inbound the ball. Pass to number 19, Panganiban. There's a whistle rep. A number 47 foul, black team. A penalty, black team. Okay. Labas na 47. First try, Mr. Panganiban on the free throw line. Shoot by Mr. Panganiban. Panganiban. Unang tira. Pangalawang tira. Shoot pa rin. Hindi lang tumama sa ring. Number 0. Inbound the ball. Pass number 2. Oh! Steal by number 2 of red. Number 2, dire-diretso nila isa. Shoot pa number 32. Nice layup by number 37. Number 2 of black. Paras by number 89 of red. Number 2. Steal by number 2. Steal na nga. Inasa ka number 89. Foul. Number 45 of black. Foul.
Yeah.
Ano, game na ba yung rep? Hindi pa. Practice lang yun. Ah, no. Game na yun? Okay. Last shot na lang, first try. Wala na ano doon. Good na yun. Sige. I-referee tayo. Mr. Castro,
Wala.
second try. No. Rebound by. Bicol. Bicol. Pass to number 19, Panganiban. Dire-diretso. Wow. Alley-oop. Layup by Mr. Panganiban. Still by number 39. Pass to Bicol. Lays. Shoot by Mr. Bicol. Number 0. Haras by number 0. Number 0, Marquez of black team. Haras by number 32. Dire-diretso. Pinasa by number 8. No. Rebound by number 39, red. 89 pass break to number 0 Bidas. Wow! Exacto ang pasa. Oh, nahuli pa ni Mr. Bicol. Nice steal of Mr. Bicol. Panganiban. Pass number 89. Pump fake, no! Oh! There's a whistle. Traveling by number 45. Stop decision rep. Short, Mr. Panganiban. Number 0. Oh, rebound by, still by number 0 also. But plays up by number 0. Binanes, nice drives in. Number 8 of black. Rebound pass by number 5. Harass by number 0. Number 45 dribbling. Pinasa number 8. Still by number 19. And pass number 89. 89 pass break. Number 0 shot. Mr. Binanes. Back-to-back points. Number 0, a man-to-man by red. Number 0. Pass number 15, Irosa. Pass to number 8. Number 8, haras by number 89, diretso, wala. Number 8, 15, rebound, shot. No move again. Number 19, pass break. Along by number 0, under, no. A rebound by number 0, black. Number 15, pass to number 12. Oh, still by number 89. Kasuga. Kasuga. Pass to Bicol. Haras by number 45. Isana. Number 2 Bicol. Pass to 0. Oh!
3 seconds.
Nangitlo. Substitution rep. Bicol out. In the mid. Number 28. Okay, inbound na pala tayo. Number 8. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 28. 3 points by number 28. Shoot! Mamaya na, sir. Mamaya na. Nag-play na, sir. Number 19. Pass number 7, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by 10 seconds to shoot. Anibo, 3 points. Short. Rebound by number 89, Kasuga. Kasuga, 3 points. Short. Also, rebound by number 28 of Black. Number 28 of Black. Dribbling diretso. Wow! Pinaliwakin na ng shoot. Number 28 of Black. Number 14, Fred. Haras by number 12. Nice steal by number 15. Number 8. Pass number 28. Diretso. Pakaniban. Diretso. Shoot by number 19. Pakaniban. Remoro sa Black. Number 15. Pass to number 8. Tinira. Wala.
Guy.
Nakakuha ng bola. Number 10. Pass break to number 77. Lays up. Rosa. Doggy. Oh, out. Ano, saktan ba? Saktan ba? Namaba ng kunya. Okay, number 15 of Red. Harass by number 28. Pass to number 10, Anibu. 10 seconds to shoot. 77, Alpiscars, lays up low. Black by up to Black. 15. Oh. Balik tayo sa team. Black team, pass break. Get by number 28. Pass to number 45, Kisande. And Mr. Kisande harassed by number 89, Kasuga. Oh, steal by number 77.
Solo.
Home by number 7, lays up. Wow. Number 8, inbound the ball. Number 2, pass to number 12. And number 12, harassed by number 39, Titus 2. Oh, lobong foul. Chow, lobong foul lang. Number 19 rebound. Pass break, number 77. Number 77, 3 points. Wow! Orientation by number 77 to 3 points. Binigyan ng change ni coach yan. Number 12, Emma Rosa. Timira din ang 3. Wala! Rebound by 15. Pinasa kay number 8. Tinira. Wala. Referee, say ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 2, inbound the ball. Oh, nawala ang bola. Pinasa, wala na. 2-man gang of Red. 77 lays up. And number 12. Ano sir? Oh, Mr. Kisade. Harass by number 19. Diretso, shoot by Mr. Kisade. Number 89. Kasuga. Alpiscar. Harass by number 15. Alpiscars. Pass to number 15. Guerrero. Easy shot. But no good. Number 2. Number 2 of Black. Harass by number 19. Try to steal by number 10. Pass to number 15. Lays up. No good. A rebound by 2 Black. Nag-aagawang pa ang dalawang Black. Hindi nagkaamo yan. 8 seconds to shoot to third quarter. 7, 6. And I have shot by Mr. Anibo. Wow, shot.
Meron.
Hawak lang.
Sir, meron pa isang mic sa bag. Doon sa bag ng speaker, yan. Good, good. Ah.
Okay. Number 10, undergo easy by number 10 of Brett. The score 67. Brett.
Lakas.
Yun! Ay! Dalawa kayo! Tatlo na nga!
Ah.
Tira! Wag!
Anibo, meron na. Okay, ginabat na pala ang speaker. Kaya pa yan, 69.
Hindi, ginawa.
Okay, number 2.
Tira! Harap! Yeah. Hirapan tayo pala sa ating couple dirty.
Ha? Kaya nga.
Magtaro sila, 500 daw eh.
Saan?
Dollar.
Sa?
Mga ito,
Sino?
kulang kalaban.
Sa pula. Eh kaso baka malaman ng may pustahan.
Huwag na.
Oo. Baka
Talo
malaman
daw
may
yan,
pustahan.
talo. Sabi ko rin talo. Sabi niya lang laro. Yung mga ito sila.
Kaya nga.
Bakit daw eh? Sabi niya lang daw ng anak. Warren!
Yo. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong...
May abangan dilaw eh. Ganda eh, spur tsaka second day. Bayaan nyo na eh, lamang na kayo eh.
Lamang na lamang.
Kaya yun na.
Uy! Uy! Go!